Hello, and welcome to the third episode of Fridays at Frontline. My name is Sarah, and I'm going to be your host. If you didn't get the chance to check out our first couple of episodes, which cover who we are and what Fridays at Frontline is, as well as our ability to assist with connectivity and communication, please make sure you check those out after this episode. Today we're going to talk about securing and storing your weapons. Here at Frontline, we carry a lot of the traditional products, like your vaults and specific cabinets and storage solutions, as well as your mounting racks that you can put on the cage, on the trunk lid of a car, or on a freestanding bracket behind your console. But we're going to dig a little deeper into some of the good solutions that have come out now that there's so many SUVs on the market. With the loss of the majority of the sedans in the pursuit-rated vehicles, we've had to come up with some creative ways to keep your weapons stored. Two of those manufacturer solutions that we'd like to highlight today are the Loft solution that Lund has come out with and the security cargo cover that ProGuard has come out with. Let's dig a little deeper into that. The first solution we're going to look into today is the Lund Loft. Now, to the trained eye that's looking really close, you might see where that's mounted in this Dodge Durango. But to the majority of the civilians walking down the road, you're not going to know that there's a weapon secured in this vehicle. But for the officer, with just a turn of a knob, you have access to your weapon. Now, we have this one set with the gun locks in place for that extra level of security and on a timer so that you know that your weapon is safe. You also have options with this solution for a dual weapon rack and to use it as an equipment tray. So, this is a great solution when you're trying to keep your weapon covert in an SUV. The second product we're talking about today is the Cargo Security Cover by ProGuard. This is our demo vehicle, lovingly called the Shark, that doesn't have this equipment installed in it yet, but we're looking forward to that. Because of the vulnerability through the windows, our equipment would be easily accessible if somebody wanted to break in and steal it. By adding the Cargo Security Cover, you're actually essentially making a trunk out of the vehicle. This keeps all of our equipment safe, or your equipment and your weapons safe as well. By adding the Cargo Security Cover, it also gives you mounting space for putting in weapon racks like you see in the pictures here. This is a great addition to any SUV that you're trying to keep equipment protected. Thank you for watching another episode of Fridays at Frontline. If you didn't know, we are sending out swag to those that comment, so make sure you give us some feedback or leave a suggestion for a future episode. If you get a chance, also check us out on social media. Make sure you hang around for another few seconds and watch some of the slides of pictures of other solutions we carry for storage and weapon security. Look forward to seeing you next week on Fridays at Frontline.
Havas Incorporated, Lund Industries, OPS Public Safety, ProGuard Products, Satina Manufacturing, Troy Products, and Truck Vault Incorporated.